Hello, health enthusiasts. Leo M here from Health Spiffy, your trusted destination for wellness insights. Today, we're diving into a fantastic topic that many of you have been asking about. The best natural homemade protein juice to shape your body. Yes, you heard it right, we're talking about a delicious and nutritious way to support your fitness journey. Let's get started. Ever find yourself in a quest for a wholesome, natural protein source? Well, look no further. Today, we're uncovering a homemade protein juice recipe that not only tastes great but also helps in shaping your body. So, let's jump into the details. The power of homemade protein juice. Why homemade, you ask? Because it allows you to control what goes into your body. No hidden additives, no artificial sweeteners, just pure, natural goodness. Plus, it's customizable to your taste preferences. Let's explore the ingredients that make this protein juice a game changer. Greek yogurt. Our first superstar ingredient, Greek yogurt. Packed with protein and low in sugar, Greek yogurt provides a creamy base for our protein juice. The protein content supports muscle repair and growth, making it an ideal choice for those looking to shape their bodies. Pro tip: opt for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to keep the sugar content in check. Now, let's move on to our next powerhouse. Almond milk. Almond milk, the unsung hero of dairy alternatives. Not only does it add a delightful nutty flavor, but it's also low in calories and a good source of vitamins. It's the perfect liquid base for our protein juice, ensuring a smooth and palatable texture. Whether you buy it or make your own at home, almond milk is a versatile addition to any protein-packed beverage. Now, let's throw in some green goodness. Spinach. Popeye had it right. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with iron and vitamins, spinach adds a nutrient boost to our protein juice. And fear not, you won't even taste it. The other flavors in the mix will mask the spinach, leaving you with a vibrant, green elixir. Leafy greens like spinach contribute to overall health and well-being, making them an excellent addition to any fitness-focused drink. Now, let's talk about our protein punch. Protein powder. For that extra protein kick, we're adding protein powder. Choose a high-quality protein powder that aligns with your dietary preferences. Whey, plant-based, or any other protein source that suits you. Protein powder is a convenient way to ensure you're meeting your protein goals, especially for those engaged in regular exercise. It aids in muscle recovery and growth, helping you shape your body effectively. Banana. Adding natural sweetness and creaminess to our protein juice is the humble banana. Not only does it enhance the flavor, but it also brings essential nutrients like potassium to the mix. The natural sugars in bananas provide a healthy energy boost, perfect for pre- or post-workout. Bananas are nature's energy bar, and they add a delightful touch to our protein-packed concoction. Now, let's blend it all together. Blending for perfection. With our ingredients ready, it's time to blend for perfection. Grab your blender and let's transform these nutritious components into a tasty protein juice that will aid in shaping your body. But before we hit that blend button, a quick reminder to subscribe to Health Spiffy for more health tips and recipes. Let's blend away. Blending process. Alright, folks, we're in the blending zone. Watch as the Greek yogurt, almond milk, spinach, protein powder, and banana come together in a vibrant whirlwind of flavors. The result? A luscious, protein-packed juice that's not only good for your body but also a treat for your taste buds. Blend until smooth, ensuring all ingredients are well incorporated. And voila! Your homemade protein juice is ready to be enjoyed. Benefits of homemade protein juice. Now that we have our protein juice ready, let's talk about the benefits. This homemade elixir isn't just about the delicious taste. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can support your body-shaping goals. The combination of Greek yogurt and protein powder ensures you're getting a substantial dose of protein, essential for muscle development. The banana adds natural sweetness and provides a quick energy boost, making it an excellent choice for those looking to fuel their workouts or recover afterward. Plus, the addition of spinach brings in a dose of vitamins and minerals, contributing to overall health. This homemade protein juice is not just a drink. It's a holistic approach to nourishing your body. Incorporating into your routine. Now that you've crafted this nutritional masterpiece, how do you incorporate it into your routine? Well, here are a few suggestions to make the most out of your homemade protein juice. How good protein digestion works. Let's dive into the intricate process of how good protein digestion works within our bodies. Efficient protein digestion is crucial for unlocking the full nutritional benefits of the proteins we consume. Firstly, it all begins in the mouth. Chewing is not just about breaking down the texture. It's a vital step in the initial breakdown of proteins. Saliva contains enzymes like amylase and lipase, which start the digestion process as we chew. As we swallow, the partially digested food, now called bolus, travels down the esophagus and into the stomach. Here, gastric juices, including the enzyme pepsin, further break down the proteins into smaller peptides. Moving into the small intestine, the real magic happens. Pancreatic enzymes and bile continue breaking down these peptides into amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. It's at this stage that our bodies can efficiently absorb these amino acids and utilize them for various bodily functions. In a nutshell, good protein digestion involves a series of coordinated events, starting from the moment we put food into our mouths to the final absorption of amino acids in the small intestine. Now, let's connect this to why the quality of protein matters. Why quality of protein matters? So, you might be wondering, why all this talk about the quality of protein? Well, the type of protein you consume directly influences how efficiently your body can carry out this complex digestion process and utilize the amino acids. When we talk about the quality of protein, we're referring to its amino acid profile. Proteins are made up of different combinations of amino acids, and our bodies require a specific balance of these amino acids to function optimally. High-quality proteins, often referred to as complete proteins, contain all essential amino acids in the right proportions. Sources like animal products, meat, dairy, eggs, and some plant-based options like quinoa and soy fall into this category. Complete proteins provide your body with the necessary amino acids it can't produce on its own. This completeness ensures that during digestion, your body receives a robust assortment of amino acids, supporting various physiological processes, including muscle growth, tissue repair, and hormone production. On the flip side, proteins lacking in one or more essential amino acids are considered incomplete proteins. While they still contribute to your overall protein intake, they might not provide the same comprehensive amino acid profile as complete proteins. So, how does this tie back to our homemade protein juice? By incorporating high-quality protein sources like Greek yogurt and protein powder, you're ensuring that your body receives a diverse range of amino acids during digestion. Serving suggestions: consider having your protein juice as a post-workout refuel. The combination of protein, carbohydrates, and vitamins makes it an ideal choice for aiding recovery and replenishing energy levels. It's like a reward for your hard work at the gym. You can also enjoy it as a morning pick-me-up or a midday snack. The versatility of this homemade protein juice allows you to integrate it seamlessly into your daily routine. Storing tips. Now, let's talk about storing your protein juice. While it's best enjoyed fresh, you can prepare larger batches and store them in airtight containers in the fridge. Just give it a good shake before drinking to ensure all the goodness is well mixed. Remember, the flavors might intensify over time, so it's recommended to consume it within a day or two for the best taste and nutritional value. Final thoughts. As we wrap up this journey of crafting the best natural homemade protein juice to shape your body, I hope you're as excited as I am to give it a try. Remember, shaping your body is not just about exercise. Nutrition plays a crucial role, and this protein juice is a delicious step in the right direction. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Health Spiffy. Share this recipe with your friends on their fitness journey, and let's support each other in reaching our health goals. Thanks for joining me today on Health Spiffy. Until next time, stay spiffy and stay healthy.